you see something on the left side of my PC and I'm playing some games here. I have an overlay UI on the left. It says the CPU usage, GPU usage, RAM usage, and the system name. And it also has some additional details called the usage, frequency, etc. etc. You can see that the refresh rate is 143, the temperature is around 78, 29. It is dynamically changing upon the gaming performance. And yep, okay, let's quit the game and go to our main window. Drastical drop around the CPU usage and the GPU usage, and we can move this overlay anywhere else because that is the reason to monitor my CPU stats and usage with Python. And this is useful information, guys, because we have displayed many information about our PC and we are gonna know the specific information dynamically when our PC is active. And we'll also check the task manager if these values are working good. And you can see the CPU usage around 6%, and here it says 9%, 4.3%, but it depends because it refreshes around each second, and this refreshes around maybe, I don't know, but these values are exact and these values do not change with each other. Okay, same like that, we go to the memory and it says around 35% of usage. Yep, yes, it's exactly the same way. And the total available is 15.9 and the used is 5.6. Yeah, that's great. Then the GPU usage, we go to the GPU usage, it says around 65%, but we take the 3D GPU usage, that is around 17, and it says 3 4 it's sorry, it's 13 14, sorry for my mistake. It's there is a 1 on the front, and the temperature is around 59%. Let's see, yeah, yes, it says 58% here, and this will change dynamically. And the network usage is around 0 0. You can see that is 0 0, but when I go browsing somewhere, let's go to YouTube, and it's dynamically updating. Let's go to Carter's channel. At time of recording, the subscribers is around 3.03k. Let's
Good.
go to our
Play
JARVIS
Serena Safari in YouTube.
Yeah,
Playing Serena Safari.
Okay, let's move this on. These are old JARVIS videos, but the network speed is around 6.9 download speed. Yeah, it's working good, but okay, when I click here, it goes around 1.4 MB per second. When I click here, it says 0.6, 02.9. Yep, now here's my operating system, Windows 10, CPU and GPU. It takes from default. So while I click the unlock button, then this UI goes back to the old form, so we can hover over it. But when I click the lock button, it will bypass each and every app and always stays on top. Okay guys, if this video gets around, let's say 50 likes maybe, then I'll upload a tutorial video how to make this app for free. You shall click the link in the description, or else you can click this end credit video. You can go watch that video and learn how to do this. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.